Hello guys, welcome to our channel VJ Specs. Today we will learn about the words which sound similar but their meanings are totally different. These type of words are called homonyms. In English, there are many words in that category. You should learn how to use them. Most importantly, understand them correctly. With some English practice and using those words in context will help you greatly. I recommend getting some help from dictionaries and using visual cards can help you a lot. Let's see some of the similar words which are commonly used in our daily conversation. The first set of words are beer and bear. Bear, B E A R, is a verb meaning to hold up, support, carry. For example, to bear the weight of the roof, whereas bare, B A R E, is an adjective meaning not clothed or covered. For example, bare walls. The second set of words are break and break. Break, B R E A K, is a verb meaning to smash, split, or divide into parts violently, reduce to pieces or fragments. For example, she broke her promise. Whereas break, B R A K E, is a noun meaning anything that has a slowing or stopping effect. For example, you should use brake in your car when you see someone on the road. The third set of words are coarse and coarse. Coarse, Coarse, is an adjective meaning composed of relatively large parts or particles. For example, the beach had rough, coarse sand, whereas course, Course, is a noun meaning course, a series of classes you take to learn about a certain subject. For example, English course. The fourth set of words are desert and desert. Desert, Desert, is a noun meaning a hot, dry land with little rain and few plants or people. For example, the Sahara is a vast sandy desert, whereas dessert, Dessert, is also a noun meaning cake, pie, fruit, pudding, ice cream, etc., served as a final course of a meal. For example, maybe we should have vanilla ice cream for dessert. The fifth set of words are race and race. Race, RACE, is a noun meaning a contest of speed, as in running, riding, driving, or sailing. For example, they spent a day at the races. Whereas raise, RAISE, is a verb meaning to move to a higher position, lift up, elevate. For example, raise your head. The sixth set of words are price and prize. Price, Price, is a noun meaning the sum or amount of money or its equivalent for which anything is bought, sold, or offered for sale. For example, nowadays people know the price of everything and the value of nothing. Whereas prize, Prize, is a noun meaning a reward for victory or superiority, as in a contest or competition. For example, her invention won first prize in a national contest. The seventh set of words are plain and plain. Plain, Plain, is an adjective meaning not decorated or elaborate, simple or basic in character. For example, good plain food. Whereas plane, Plane, is a noun meaning a vehicle designed for air travel. For example, flying with a plane. The eighth set of words are loose and lose. Lose, Lose, is a verb mostly used with an object, meaning suffer a loss or fail to keep something in your possession. For example, I lose my hat every day or I am losing my mind. Whereas loose, Loose, is an adjective meaning free or released from fastening or attachment. For example, a loose end. The ninth set of words are one and one. One, WON, is a past tense of win. For example, we won the basketball game. One, ONE, is number one. For example, I have one son. The tenth set of words are two and two. Two, TO. This has many meanings. One means in the direction of. For example, I am going to South America. Two, TOO, means also. For example, I want to go to. Hope you learned some of the commonly used words, their meanings, and their differences in this video. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel VJ Specs for more such videos. Thank you.